New year, new hair. Join us as we reveal the ultimate guide to achieving healthy hair by the new year. I'm Art, a beauty expert here at JCPenney, and today we're chatting all about hair care and how we can achieve those hair goals in time for the new year. New Year's resolutions are great, but you don't want to have to wait to transform dull, lifeless hair into vibrant, luscious locks. Today, we will be sharing some of our top JCPenney beauty products that were specially created to nourish, repair, and to transform your hair. With the deeply hydrating Forbidden Hair Mask from Bomba Curls to a Redken shampoo conditioner combo that we're obsessed with, we will be tackling dry and damaged hair. And for anyone seeking an eco-friendly hair care option, we will be chatting about a shampoo and conditioner bar set that is such a unique product and so good for your hair. I can't wait to get into it. With that said, let's dive in and get your hair back on track. One of the main culprits behind unhealthy hair is damage from everyday wear and tear. Things like using too much heat, brushing too harshly, and using chemical treatments that can weaken the protein bonds in your hair. This leads to breakage, split ends, and overall damage. Even environmental factors can come into play. Things like harsh weather, UV radiation from the sun, and even pollutants in the air can take a toll on our hair. These factors can strip the natural oil from our hair, leaving it dry and frizzy, and much more prone to damage. When it comes to damaged hair, hydration is a major key to getting it back on track. One of the best ways to supercharge your hair with lasting hydration is a good hair mask. One of our favorite JCPenney products that we recommend to combat dry or damaged hair is the Forbidden Hair Mask by Bomba Curls. This award-winning mask is an advanced deep conditioning treatment that helps to restore curls, moisture, and shine. It's got a unique formula infused with botanicals that penetrate your hair and provide intense nourishment from root to tip. And while this is an amazing hydrator, it's definitely not an option to turn to if you're dealing with oily or greasy hair. It really works best for curly, coarse, or textured hair. But what about the people on the other end of the spectrum? I'm talking about people who find themselves washing their hair every day so it doesn't look greasy. A purposeful wet look is one thing, and an accidental wet look is never a vibe. So outside of dry shampoos and constant washes, what can you do to get your hair back on track for the new year? I have some great shampoo and conditioning products I'm going to mention here in a sec. But before I do, I wanted to call out a specific treatment that can make a really big difference for oily hair. This is Scalp Bliss Purifying Foam Treatment. It is a serious game changer. It specifically targets your scalp, helping to maintain healthy environment for your hair growth. It removes a bunch of stuff we don't want hanging out on our scalp. Things like buildup, excessive oils, and impurities that we've picked up throughout the day. I also wanted to mention that while it's especially helpful for people with oily hair, this is actually safe for all hair types. Not to mention it's packed with powerful natural antioxidant properties from good ingredients like aloe vera, manuka honey, rose bay, witch hazel, and tea tree oil. All in all, this treatment is perfect for when you want to reset your scalp and keep your hair healthy. I know we've mentioned some treatments you can do periodically to get your hair back on track, but your everyday hair habits go a long way. It is important to use shampoo and conditioner that's right for your hair type and doesn't have a lot of harsh chemicals or watered down nutrients. Thankfully, JCPenney has got you covered. First up, we've got an all-soft shampoo and conditioner from a brand we love, Redken. This is a fantastic option if you're wanting smoother, more manageable hair. These products are packed with argan oil, which make this a great solution for anyone dealing with dry and brittle or damaged hair. The shampoo gently cleanses and detangles, while the conditioner moisturizes, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and more resilient. While that one is for hair on the drier side, our next set is wonderful for all hair types. And as an added bonus, it's super environmentally friendly. I'm talking about JCPenney Beauty Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. One of the unique things about this is that it comes in a solid bar, so there isn't wasting plastic. It's also super easy to travel with, since you aren't worrying about liquid spilling in your bag or not meeting airline restrictions. These bars are formulated with organic turmeric and gentle natural ingredients like cocoa butter and coconut oil. Frangipani oil provides added moisture and volume from root to tip, as the 100% natural scent blend refreshes with an ocean breeze aroma that is reminiscent of the Pacific. It is also sulfate and paraben free. I truly can't recommend this enough. For all the stuff we've talked about, I wanted to mention that depending on your hair type, both overwashing and underwashing can cause all kinds of problems. So give yourself some time to find the right balance for you while using products specifically formulated for your hair type and texture. Finding the right products and routine can totally transform your hair. Outside of your routine washes and scalp treatments, there are so many other products you can use to get the most out of your hair, and just in time to strut into the new year. The first product I want to mention is a leave-in conditioner from Balayage. This is great for all hair types, and since all you have to do is spray to apply it, it can really simplify your hair care routine. It helps to detangle, control frizz, and protect the hair from heat and environmental damage. Plus, it's infused with coconut oil for an extra boost of nourishment. While we're talking about detangling, I should mention this comb from Shaz and Kicks. Normally, a comb wouldn't make our list, but this is a special exception. These are handcrafted from natural neem wood by an artisan collective in Bardhaman, India. The group of craftsmen who harvest this medicinal plant have kept this craft alive for generations, which put this above and beyond the competition. This comb detangles without breakage while also stimulating blood flow in your scalp. So overall, it's a big win for your hair. Next, I wanted to mention some claw clips, specifically these blue and ivory claw clips from A&A. Claw clips aren't just a trendy look, they're also functional. They keep your hair in place while preventing damage or pulling. Whether you're styling an updo or simply need to pin back some strands, these clips are a versatile addition to your hair care routine, especially if your hair needs a break from that tight pony. A good headband is another stylish and practical accessory to keep your hair away from your face without stressing out your hair follicles. We love the A&A charcoal and white headband because it's made with a soft, stretchy fabric that keeps your hair in place without adding too much pressure. These are great for people who struggle with headaches too. It keeps the hair out of your face without adding tension to your scalp. Remember, while using the right products is essential to getting the most out of your unique hair, the right tools and accessories can make a significant difference in promoting healthy hair. I think that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found it helpful and informative, and that you feel like you have the right tools in your arsenal to walk into the new year with confidence. If you still have questions or want to talk to someone about the best tips and tricks for addressing your unique hair concerns, we want to help you find the right products. Stop into any JCPenney and our beauty experts will help you find the right solution for your hair goals. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on all things makeup, hair, and skincare at JCPenney. We'd also love to hear about your hair tips, so share your go-to routine in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.